Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by enabling True Tone. Open Settings, tap Display and Brightness, and toggle True Tone. Next, make sure Auto Brightness is off. This prevents the system from changing perceived warmth. Use a neutral white image or page as your test target and position the phone where ambient light is steady, no direct sunlight or colored lamps. Once ready, plan to switch True Tone on and off while keeping everything else constant. This lets you see the how and why of the color shift clearly. Now, perform the active test. Display a pure white image and observe the screen with True Tone on, then switch it off. You'll notice warmer or cooler white. True Tone adapts color temperature to ambient light to reduce eye strain. Next, cycle through grayscale, natural skin tones, and saturated blues to see where changes matter most. Make sure to wait a few seconds after each toggle, because the display adjusts. This pause reveals the full effect and prevents misjudging fleeting transitions. Finish by choosing the setting that feels right for your eyes and usage. True Tone makes whites warmer in warm light, which many prefer at night, versus cooler output with it off. After testing, re-enable Auto Brightness if you rely on it. It complements True Tone for adaptive comfort. If results seem inconsistent, for example, no visible change when toggling, restart the iPhone and repeat the test in a different lighting environment. This troubleshooting step resolves sensor glitches most of the time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.